All right, guys, it's done. My microwaved sweet potato with salt, pepper, and butter. It was ready in 5 minutes. So good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janae and this is Janai's Kitchen. This past weekend I was visiting with a friend of mine that I've known forever. While I was visiting, her kids made themselves baked potatoes in the microwave. Her oldest daughter is the same age as my daughter, so immediately I was like, that's pretty cool. I've actually never made a potato in the microwave, and I felt like that would be something very simple that my daughter could make. So then a few days later, I was crunched for time. I threw together something really quick and needed a side. I decided to try the potato in a microwave, except I did a sweet potato because that is what I had on hand. And to my surprise, it came out really good. I was hesitant to share it because I wasn't sure if anybody would be interested, but at the same time, maybe there's someone out there like me who has never done this. So I figured I would put it in a video. Let's get started. The first step is gonna be to wash it off really well and then poke holes in it. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go over to the sink and give this a good wash. Okay, so I'm gonna dry it off really good here. Next, I'm gonna take a fork and I'm going to poke holes in it. Being careful not to stab myself. So I'm poking some holes in it. All right, I think that's good enough. Next, I'll wet this paper towel and wrap the sweet potato inside of it. So I'm gonna open it up here. Okay, take my potato and wrap it around. You wanna make sure that it's fully covered. Okay, next I'll place this in the microwave for a total of 5 minutes. All right, you guys, so it is done. I put this cover over it because they have a tendency to splash if you don't. And if it wasn't, I would have just probably put it in there maybe for another 30 seconds, but it's done. It's hot, so I'm gonna press it with my fork, see? Okay. And then before I switch cameras, I'm just gonna add a little salt, pepper, and butter to this. All right, so I just pulled the potato out of the microwave. It took 5 minutes and it's done. So let's cut into it. Hopefully you guys can see that. And because it's hot. I am a one-woman show, I'm gonna toggle back and forth between cameras so you guys get a good angle. Okay, so I got it cut open. And then as you can see, it is nice and hot and it's cooked. So like I said, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, pepper, and some butter, of course. This will probably be good with cinnamon and sugar as well, but I don't want that. Okay, so I got my butter in there. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. And some pepper. All right, guys, it's done. My microwaved sweet potato with salt, pepper, and butter. It was ready in 5 minutes. The texture is on point. So good. The next time you're crunched on time, go ahead and give this recipe a try. If you have a product for me to review or a recipe that you'd like for me to try, don't forget that you can email me at janaiskitchen@gmail.com. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And I'm curious, am I the only one that hasn't done this before? Leave me a comment if you make your potatoes like this. Bye.